Hi sis, welcome to Fab Chic Modest. How are you doing? My name is Doris, and on this channel we talk everything fashion, how to be fabulous, chic, feminine, edgy, sophisticated, modest on a budget. So for today's video, it's gonna be just an informal video. I'm actually trying to clean up my closet a little bit, and I was thinking, why don't I turn on the camera and just interact with you sis and talk and show you my things. I know you love it, I know. So welcome again to my humble abode, and yeah, let's talk about what we'll be doing today. This is what I'm wearing today, something simple. This is like a pair of denim wide leg pants I thrifted, and I love how wide it is. Like it's so cool. Let me get closer. I love those wide leg pants. I love it fitted knee and thigh. Really cool. And then I'm just wearing a regular tee with it. This is like very XXL, so technically I should take that in. I think I can actually change the elastic, something like that, or take that in. I haven't done that yet, so I'm wearing like a fitted shirt over it to kind of keep it put. And I'm wearing a tie-dye cardigan, like a neat, very nice cardigan that I love. I thrifted it, of course, so I'm really like loosey-goosey, relaxed, casual today, and today is Sunday, so just wearing my regular house shoes. It's just a very casual, fast free video today with you. So I just love the whole thing. I mean, honestly, you can wear that anywhere with some tennis shoes. You can wear some boots, some mules, some platform shoes, some wedges. I mean, this is a cool look, just simple but very edgy. I love it. Tie-dye, yeah, very long cardigan. Oh yeah, you see how wide leg the pants are? Perfection. Yes, I love that. It's very like boho chic. So yeah, this is outfit of the day. So now I guess I can do like a quick haul. I was planning on several videos. Like I like to plan like 2 or 3 videos at a time. I work full-time, I have a family, so I usually like to film my videos like 2 or 3 videos back to back. It's exhausting. You have to change the studio, the different clothes or shoes or accessories I want to show. But throughout the week I like to plan it a little bit. Let's say I'm thinking of shooting it like a lookbook, for example. Like every night, even after work, when I'm done with dinner for the family, I come into my closet and I kind of think about the different looks I want to put together, I want to create. I put the different accessories, and so that way when Saturday comes, or if it's like a holiday or something like that, everything is ready. I take my stuff, I take my clothes, every look is ready, accessories. So I think the planning is what takes more time. Thankfully I work from home, so I'm always close to my closet and I can come chill here. Sometimes instead of watching something on Netflix, I'm like, you know what, I can be working on my on my channel. I can be working on my looks, on my videos. So I love having that creative space in my closet, and also have that awesome way to express my creativity, build a community, interact with you sis. So it's such a blessing. Thank you so much for your support. So I was putting together like maybe like another Zara haul, like new end, but I'm just going to give it to you during this video. So first of all, I purchased those 3 Zara items, and since you know how much denim skirt, denim anything is such a trend now. So this is a Zara skirt right now being sold on the website, and I like it because I have some denim skirts, however they're a bit like shorter. This is like a maxi denim skirt and I love it. The thing is that with that I'm trying to customize it, so stay tuned. I'll probably create like a short with it. I won't tell you what I'm going to be doing, but I'll be adding stuff to it to make it cooler, and I'm so excited about it because it's a nice skirt, but for me it's too simple. Come on, it's too simple. It's just plain. So I like the stretch. It's got a decent stretch to it, and let me see how much it cost. I think I kept the tag. Okay, right now it is $59.90 on the website, and I got size XL. Like I said, for all of the bottoms I get size XL. It's very nice. If you are looking for a denim skirt and you are interested on checking this out, I'll put the link in the description box. Go check it out. So very nice. I mean, with some boots. I actually purchased a pair of boots from Zara, which went so fast. Let me show you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, sis. This ox blood, oh my gosh, pair of boots. I mean, come on. Just so delicious. I did not know it was on the website, and I was watching a video of Jiranika Mashia. Sorry if I butcher her name, but people call her G for short. And she showcased those boots, and I was like, what? I did not know about it. Of course, they were sold out. And then I was stalking the website, and they came back again in stock one day, like at midnight or something. I jumped on it. Size 9. I love this. Of course, you know, it's a bit pricey because, you know, this is beautiful. The color is gorgeous. You don't really see. I love that pattern finish, the shine. I mean, with a pencil skirt like this, you know. Oh, you see already with that slit. So feminine. The epitome of elegance. I love, you know, mixing things like this. Or with a midi skirt, with a midi dress. Sis, so beautiful. I love a high-low design as well. And it's not really too high. So definitely a good thing. I think it's at the max. I think it's 3.8, like for the heel. Woo, gorgeous with pointy toe. Oh, beautiful. So I'm so glad I snatched it. It was, I think, $169, something around there. I'm like, I'm not waiting for the sales. Those will not last, even if they, you know, they're on sale, because this is such a nice pair of boots. I have a decent collection of like tall boots, but I'm still trying to get colors that I don't have already. And so the second Zara item I got is this pair of I think it's a low-waisted or mid-rise. Mid-rise. Okay, mid-rise, full length, wide leg jeans. Sis, I mean, case on point, I'm wearing a pair of wide leg pants. Oh, these are long, they're really nice, very like soft, size 12, and right now they are being sold on the website, and they cost $49.90, so $50. And actually I got 2 of those because I want to do some kind of tie-dye with a second one, and I'll definitely make it short. I have so many video projects. I'll get to it eventually. Oh Lord, help me. So I'm trying to change the color, making some tie-dye, very interesting. But I like the wash as it is. That's why I'm going to keep one just like it is. I like the faded wash light, and yeah, I really like this pair. I'm not really into skinny jeans. I used to when I was a teenager or something, but I'm not really into skinny jeans or anything too tight, as a matter of fact. Especially when I'm wearing jeans, it's got to be wide legs, you know. I'm just used to having flowy things and wearing something not too tight. So beautiful. So this is the second pair of jeans that I bought, and sis, I got this. This is a nice pair of wide leg pants, and the material is gabardine. Actually, I knew this kind of material. In French we say gabardine as well, and so it is gorgeous. It's like a nice khaki color, very wide leg pants. You know how I love those, and very cool. Look at that, with a cropped jacket or something. Very nice, very wide, and I believe it's still on the website. I'll include the link as well. I got you, sis, don't you worry. So I love this. Oh my gosh, I have so many kimonos, like long cardigans, like, you know, that or bombers that I will wear with those. I mean, I love that pleats here. Beautiful. Yeah, so Zara is really coming up with some nice designs, and this you can definitely wear during the spring and the summer season. Can you imagine it like with some nice sneakers, you know, with some sandals? I mean, this is so cool. So I got this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I also have another pair of boots from Nine West, and I'm so excited. Another pair of tall boots as well. Hang on, I'll show it to you. Okay, sis, this is the pair I purchased. It's called the Richy heeled boots. I include the link as well. This color is blue suede, and this is gorgeous. I did not have such a color. I mean, the suede is gorgeous. Yes, pointy toe as always. The heel is very, very good, very comfortable. The boots are really good. Like, I've had so many pairs of boots from them. I think they're long lasting, they're still durable, they still look nice. So I really trust Nine West for shoes. Anything Nine West, as a matter of fact. These are just like a bunch of bodysuits I bought from Shein, you know. Those have a basis with foundation of a good nice outfit, because sometimes, you know, you want to cover up a little bit but you don't have different colors like of a bodysuit, you don't have different textures, different materials. So let me start with the first one. So I got like a charcoal gray turtleneck, very light and thin, and long sleeves. This is so versatile, you know. You can wear like a cardigan over it, you can wear this under a coat, even something like I'm wearing something sleeveless like this, or by itself, or like a vest. This is really cool. So those are very affordable on Shein. So the second one is a brown short sleeve bodysuit. Yes, nice. I love the sleeves. I mean, this is very versatile over like a blazer. So I love adding pieces like this. Or you can just wear like a dress with some cutout, and you don't want to you don't want to expose yourself, sis. Just wear a bodysuit underneath it, something that matches the dress, for example. And this is very nice. The second one is a mesh. Yeah, a mesh kind of top, and I wore this in my cargo pants styling, so you should have seen it. So it goes perfectly with the vest I was wearing. So goes to show you, you need different colors. Sometimes you may not think you need those kind of unusual or, you know, just different colors, but sis, you need to, because you never know, one day you have a dress that'll have some prints and you'll be like, man, if I only had like a green color, a lime color, Kelly green. So you need different variations of the same color as well. I have the red version as well. Oh, I love this bright red. Yes, I have the same version of a mesh bodysuit, like a brown. Perfect. Yes, of course. A bodysuit but short sleeve. Both play different roles, trust and believe. And so yeah, very nice. Oh, I love how they just mesh with my skin tone. And I have another red one, almost like the yeah, it's the same actually of the brown one that I have with a short sleeves. And I have a blue one, another blue mesh. So these are very affordable on Shein. I love having this as a basis. For example, let's say I'm wearing like a look where, you know, I'm wearing a dress and I want to add this and wear this, bam. So those come in really handy. Oh, let me show you. I went to was it Salvation Army? Yes, and Goodwill. And sis, let me show you the denim goodness I got. I am planning to make like a runway show, all denim. You know how denim is everywhere now, double denim, triple denim, and sis, it's gonna be so good. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do right now, because the pieces I got added to the pieces I already own. Sis, I'm not talking too much. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, you see the design, the pattern, the studs. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. The epaulettes. Come on, who does this? Who does this? I feel like Michael Jackson at the store. I was like, woo. Like, mom, this is fabulous. Even she agreed. So glad I got this. Oh, gorgeous. And then I actually had thrifted another denim jacket, which you have seen in the cargo styling video as well. And this is tie-dye. So good. I'm telling you, sis, you need to go thrift. You need to go to a thrift store And this is a pair of like vintage Gap denim. Yeah, you can see the Gap. And I got it for $9.99. I actually got it last week. And sis, I have never seen, you know, a Gap piece like this. So nice. I mean, this fits me so well. This is like a very nice balloon kind of gauchos style, and it's beautiful. Like, it tapers at the ends. And sis, I love this kind of pants. I love the wash. Very nice. So you shall definitely see that in my lookbook, my denim lookbook. And sis, this have a jacket I purchased. Oh, I could not believe it. This is fabulosity. Oh my goodness. Yes, this is brand new with tags still on. Should I need to add anything else? Pockets on the side. You turn it around. Sis, let me get closer. Yeah, I love this acid wash print. This is so fabulous. This is so fabulous. Like, seriously, this is definitely going to be part of my denim runway look, and I will not show you more because I mean, some elements, some pieces have to be a surprise. So I'm working on this. The thing is, it's so hot now here in Florida, my goodness. So hopefully one day when it's cooler, I can work on that, because you know the street is my runway. I am preparing so many good videos for all you sis. Thank you so much for the new members. Welcome to Fab Chic Modest. Share, my videos to your people, to your network, to your other sis. So many good things. And this is also a denim tiny bag I bought from Zara. And yes, it's still being sold. They have like the black version, which I ordered. Is on the way. I'm trying to work on my shoes, so I'll show you what I'm dealing with right now. Okay, so I really need to get some order into my shoes, and the thing is, I'm going to remove all of the shoe boxes. I feel like once the shoes are still in the boxes, I tend not to see them, not to use them, and it's got to stop. So I have to work on that, removing all of the shoe boxes. And yeah, just really see all of my stuff. This is my scarves right here and my turban, so I need to look for a nice basket because the basket is too small right now. And so yeah, I need to work on that. I'll show you the finished the finished product when I'm done, how it looks like in a future video. But this is a project. This is what I'll be working on soon here. Okay sis, this was just a short video to touch base with you and let you know a lot of things are coming soon your way, and definitely you will enjoy it. I'm so excited. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and yeah, like my videos, leave a comment, and I cannot wait for our community to grow, and for us to do. Oh, let me show you one piece, like one calf I bought from Salvation Army as well. Let me remove my cell phone here. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, this is a calf, this one here. Oh my gosh, sis. So go to your Salvation Army, go to your thrift store. This is one of a kind piece, and I love it. Anywho, I got sidetracked. I'll let you go now, and thank you so much for your support, and stay blessed always. Bye.